Let's shift focus to another round of breaking update coming in as information that is coming in from Kerala's Thrissur that we are picking up of a robbery. Nearly 65 lakh rupees that has been robbed from 3 ATM centers in Thrissur, and that has been robbed from 3 SBI ATMs. There are CCTV footage of the robbery that has also been recorded. This is a 4-member gang wearing masks and arriving in a white car using gas cutters to break into the ATMs, as the robbers also played black paint on the CCTVs to avoid getting caught. Let me go across to Jayalakshmi now. Jayalakshmi, how many ATMs we are looking at that have been looted with the amount of money and the police action that has been initiated?
Yes, the three SBI ATMs were robbed, and all the three includes the sum of 65 lakhs. And now what we know is that these robbers were, arrested by the police in Tamil Nadu. That is the latest information we have. Is that they were trying to escape from Thrissur, and at Nanakal they were arrested. And now during the police encounter, what we understand is that one person has been shot dead, and one has also been shot in the leg, and two of these robbers have been injured during the encounter. And what we also understand is that this police person who got in between this exchange has also been injured. Now all of them are in Tamil Nadu getting treatment in a private hospital is what we know. But we know that out of 65 lakhs were robbed out of the all the three ATMs. All of them were SBI ATMs that were located 2 kilometers away from each other. And in fact, the police had also, during the course of the robbery, the police was alerted in between, but by the time they reached the ATM, they could not, they failed to catch them there. So now, after the tracing them, they also issued notice. So once they reached Tamil Nadu, the Nanakal, that's when the police was able to catch hold of them.
All right. So police have also been saying that they received certain indications of similar robberies in neighboring districts of the state, suspecting that a gang that may have carried out these robberies before arriving in Thrissur. However, the police has expanded the investigation to neighboring districts as well. Sources say that many of them that have been arrested by the Tamil Nadu police, and the gang was caught while attempting to escape through a container. This is almost dramatic in a way as far as the police carrying out its operation when it comes to getting hold of these robbers or these thieves are concerned. It is said to be a 4-member gang who was wearing masks, arriving in a white car using gas cutters to break into the ATMs. Let's also get you another breaking update that is now coming with regards to the police encounter after the ATM robbery. One suspect has been shot dead, another suspect who has been shot in the leg, and one police officer has also been hurt in the gunfire. Jayalakshmi, is it regards to the same information that we are breaking exactly when it comes to the police operation? There has been police officials too that have been injured.
Yes, exactly. It is. While, as you mentioned, the search operations did continue to the other districts, and now in Tamil Nadu, Namakkal district, when they were catching this in between, the encounter had begun, and during the course of the encounter, one suspect has lost his life, and now what we know is that a policeman is also injured. And during this encounter, and all of them are right now being treated in the nearby hospital. During the encounter, the 4-member gang was caught, and one of them has been shot dead and one is injured. And along with that, a policeman has also been injured.
Well, this heist hasn't been carried out as far as the police operation also to catch hold of these gang members. One of them have been shot dead, other one injured. And in the firing incident that has taken place, we are told that one police officer himself has been injured. Thank you very much for the moment, Jayalakshmi, for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Don't forget to tune in at the top of 1 p.m.